in and out of there like swimwear. Gotta go get all this laundry done. I have so much laundry to do. So I'm gonna run to the laundromat, maybe swing through a Chick-fil-A, get some Chick-fil-A. I don't know, I'm kind of hungry. Tried to get the 37s on the truck for the truck meet tonight. It's not gonna happen. I don't got my spike lug socket down here. I got it like rigged up so I can get it in there just enough to take them off. The one I stripped out, just like the first like 1/4 of an inch of it, because that's all I really could do. I got like 4 or 5 of them off on the left side and put stock lugs back in. So I got 1 spike on the back, 2 spikes on the front up there. It looks terrible, honestly. It looks terrible. I wanted to get the 37s on before the meet, but it's not gonna happen. Oh well. Oh well. Shoot. Blast that AC, son. Could I get 2 McChickens, a small fry, and buffalo sauce?
Anything else?
Sprite light ice, medium, please. Fuck it.
Medium Sprite, light ice.
That'll be it. That'll be it.
4.5, that's it.
I don't know what she said. I tried to go to Chick-fil-A. That line was way too long. There was no line at McDig, so that's where I slid through, even though it's disgusting. So if you guys don't know, this right here is like literally the only way I can make like McDicks taste good. So you take a McChicken, right? This is like my little mashup. Of course, I put it in upside down. It's probably disgusting. Look at how hard that is. Straight rock. Okay. McDonald's for you. Okay. You take the buffalo sauce. You take your McChicken. You just put that boy up on there like that. Clean that boy back. So now you got something like that. You slap that bun on there like that. Oh yeah. 4 out of 10. All the way, baby. Let's get it. Yo! Already finished the monster. I got a bunch of energy. Feeling like a monster. I don't know. It's 3:30. I got an hour and a half. I have nothing to do right now. Got the truck clean. Got some energy. Ate that McDonald's. Made me feel like garbage. Should have known that. I'm at the Advanced Auto Parts and I don't even know what time this is. I keep forgetting. But I see a dually over there on KG1s. A Power Stroke. Looks like he's on some like Rockstar wheels, but like they're powder coated. Still clean. I like it. But I guess I'll see you guys at the meet.
DJ, what'd you think about that?
That shit was bad. Yeah, I like the fucking hair though. It's badass. We all trying to get out of here. They got us blocked in. Bad. I need someone behind me though. Got the water, the monster. We were all just chilling. Cops pulled up, just going. I ain't never seen so many people scat like that. We out. Everybody's out. They ain't doing all that. Cops everywhere. All sides. We out. Ain't no way. Look at all them trucks. Look at all them trucks. Yeah, we gone. Cops showed up way too fast. Blocked all the entrances. We're out, son. We're not dealing with that. Look at all them trucks. Got the cops over there. Cops busted. We got everybody at the gas station. Oh shit. Yeah, everybody up this bitch. Camera died last night. It was an absolute banger last night, let me tell you. It was pretty crazy. Cops came, went to the mall. Cops, I don't even know if cops showed up there. I left. I was doing like 95 on the freeway. We were weaving. I was weaving with some Jeep. Met some new people. A couple more friends. You know, just out here expanding, you know. But overall, it was a pretty solid meet, solid day. Thanks for watching.